Right, fantastic morning. Was watching my crowd and Rasso say, "It are good even some idea, bro." Say, "Bijama go can't some yana dos so there's a fata salty na your Badwam na your bro." And I quite feed the idea, not just I don't annoying, papa, annoying. It's on semi mimi and near my swat. Now he say Champions League in the one year mimi. And the be a cassa by a jay boy, Jerenya Bedu. Champions League no ababe lande no china e hyeso den and aviation social center e dwe and hit FM beko na fe so no Adom TV Adom FM and of course Asempa FM yeshia e wo T Havana Tema Community 9 T Havana Tema Community 9 ti mu yina yinhia na yenhwemum na bibia so itimi enkoye Meka na sana Sergio Manocho ni Bernard Padibotwe na wama kame ho amede nsam na de bro Bernard Padibotwe ejiremu den na Sergio ejiremu ma hye bibia dem bekan omo na de atomanim se benfa emre mona be hya se Medical Champions League wasam de hono de be fi Real Madrid akache Antonio Rudiger or defender de my Real Madrid or den some to dwa so gidi se Real Madrid betimi abodwuma pa se wa wie season ni na ade ba ko be ma season no awie peye no and so be Champions League no Antonio Rudiger and then some more the Eto Adra and so on Jadon Sancho one also a player at the Borussia Dortmund Sancho someone also the two journey Borussia Dortmund into a big game a Basel at China first of June now but the Asia war aviation social center Tema Community 9 and upon your chassis ye games a hold dia grow so ya ho yen a good dia hold one as a program say Adom TV so no ya de bebre e T Havana our Tema Community 9 eti anopa na watch ye the bebro sports arena ye the bebro T Havana na some FM programs Adom FM program ni na ya pipe e the T Havana bro na wa feel nti ocha de alaje ni poso ma yen share T Havana Tema Community 9 ayera some FM Champions League fan day hona ye share ne de ahwe bomu pa Real Madrid na eje ana Borussia Dortmund na eje me de na ma share Real Madrid je se musa brapokua obia hye ne de achasa ayefe to bia babi bia ohwe TV isu bia no obepie mu ewo ye T Havana Tema Community 9 na ye de apem so Asempa FM Champions League fan day now yeah go pay more the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana Nantana Babedu Bebrena Babedu ni ade and mo team hotel said John Manucho akopiem ho my report they also team hotel
de kwasi boni be kana residential camping no enra ene hyase a place no bia piepie fi na fie mu ya omukohia ye e wo Alisa Hotel o hwa atade ene ahofasuo niema kese ya ne hyehye mrantie ya na bibia dadi se niema koye pa ebitie tade ni bi wo ha sikapuduo ya mrantie yete ede toye no atumi ya niema bebre nanso ni fenti eno boa na kire ebra amabo Black Stars Omun semina negusu a etwagu oman Ghana mu efiti da coach Otado wade mrantie aduonu nsia no ebetu dwa omojo omahome enana pai omo solin tempa so adidi a ewia omboaboaboa omo nema no ne bono nan epa ho sima aduonu ba ko a omatene omo ka mu akwakopie Legon agopama kese no so ena ho sesi edika no kra omo de ahwentam so unse Mali and Central African Republic World Cup qualifier can see no junior de tosu nsia and then de tosu edu akansie me nu baba so nti omani abre pa junior de tosu nan omu free kromu ha no makopie Mali de bewie mu bia no Otado and then mrante no besan agina mu a Kumasi baba yarago pramaso de tosu mienu no omade aba.
Right, I know the Koso Black Stars are catching place na lande, but Coach Otado now we head coach my Black Stars ahead of the game against Mali and the Central African Republic. The already two journey.
I think for me, Ghana football stands for good football. And this is maybe I want to use the opportunity. It's difficult to promise victories because of football you can be better than your opponent and at the end they will score and they will win or one slight mistake will happen. But I think I will take the opportunity to be brave enough to promise you that we will play good football because Yeah, I've been studying football for a very, very long time, and for me, the boys, especially in Ghana, they like to play with the ball. This is how they grow up when they're playing on the streets, and this is what I want to implement. And I think this is the easiest thing to implement because they will have joy having the ball, trying to dominate. I know that we will face opponents sometimes which are stronger than us, where we need to defend more. But in general, I want to bring back to the joy with the ball. I want to create a culture, and this, I think, has been the culture in the past, not to be fearful when you have the ball. I know that there's high demands on the players, and it's difficult. There are difficult times, and there's a lot of pressure on the players. But I want to take the pressure away to allow them to do mistakes, because this is the only way we can, in long term, we can give them the confidence to play what they can. We know what they can. If you
okay, Coach Otuado, one on our coach my Black Stars, then somebody too, I don't know, but yeah, Otuado won someone when a second coming as head coach of the Black Stars. Then on Sports Writers Association President Kwabena Yeboah, and they have football shonko. I'm Otuado.
You are the official coach, but the real coaches are here. So the criticisms will come in. Some will be caustic, some will be very vitriolic, some will be vituperative. But you know that, just relax and understand that as journalists we mean well. So don't take the criticisms personal, but they will come in fast and big, because you've had some of the tactics and systems already coming from some of the colleagues. Whether you're going to play the route system or whether you're going to play the Mourinho system, so they will definitely come. But they know that, just understand that we in this together.
Right. And only a foot SWAC President Kwabena Yeboah. Otema Coach Otuado now. Yeah, kind of sound on your conco more one some from na the Ghanaian Premier League match 22 chassis and a crowd of folk Nadia Fapa and one no. Yeah, fishers now. And as of the Nations FC, I was the Accra Sports Stadium, Basel 6 p.m. at the Ancient Society Folk versus Nations FC. But United near Diana and so the PM Sana for Sujabo Park 3 p.m. at China and Legon City's neighbor 4 as under Corner Great Olympics neighbor Air Court relegation. Naniabre. The next game on the house, so also copper results were Amfa has game against Olini Bedin. In Strathamania, Accra Lions, Recruit Chelsea, RTU, Media Money Hearts of Lions, Summer Technic Gold Stars, Nafi Dreams FC, and Kerala United winning fixtures match day 32. But the amount for any wumpa, how Hearts of Folk avoid the relegation because Nations game will book and Pasco. Nations game ni book and Pasco. As I say, careful pa na and then when you on draw be crowd, and not crying but draw yes chance of beluso. It's a has of pressure down so pa near there. And on Samara and yen share the and simple fair course for former Black Stars captain I will look away and the other to just and a year basso on the 8th of June. I won't cry higher another than Kufuado on the GFA at Jetum say one more back and boom no my yamana efe.
Hey, a papai. Ye kana semwa omo Ghana football ne titire national teams omo di akire ene club football bia no ne din beda omo no pa agura wa bedie e dia ma omo Ghana no ese fata se nsem sei ato abusia ye nyina ade ntoma bebo ye dia no abeta omo chi match busumi nim ene nkane Black Stars captain onya ne ba bi kro ya abusia kohia ye toto adwene ne adwontoto amu no bibia akwawe ya enra Abusia, Asian Semtrafo, Edin Sheshiano, Edituja, Abusiana, Chese, a Jumbusumi, I woman, need a tosso and watching, not as a mimim there bedding now watching so. A year Cassiano, a passoir, or man paying and not Danko Kufado, Edin and Wajimua, or mano air touch and tea, almost to Tunamai.
It will be starting 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So, along that side, we will move to the mortuary to bring the body back to the house. Then the wakekeeping starts from there till the next morning at dawn. We are yet to confirm, but the president told us that the military will take charge over the body, and then they will put the body into the hearse. Then it will be driven to the forecourt status on the 8th of June in the morning, early in the morning.
Na saa hyehyɛ yɛ tudwa yɛ abusua no ekokɔhyia nsɛntwerɛfoɔ no owura Uncle TT Brothers na dawroma ɛna ɔde nneɛma ta akyire a wɔfa ho nyinaa aka ɛboaeɛ na bibi akɔso na nhyehyɛ foforɔ a wɔ hɔ no kyerɛ sɛ House of Folk and the Great Olympics old players memene da ɛbɛyi 1st June ɛwɔ McDonagall Pramaso wala hyia ɔmo de akansie baako de bɛpem so na ɔmo de ahyɛ wolokwe ɛna onyam.
Right, and on so Ehwasamano notation so sa for my Odachana the 1st of June. Now 1st of June sa no na kesa pe Aviation Social Center and on ye Joy FM Hits FM refugees no. Na fi so yakopi mu wo Tia Havana Tema Community 9 na ho yakogine mu den pa na ye de ho so de na ba the final of the UEFA Champions League Real Madrid ne Borussia Dortmund mamenka de Dortmund versus Real Madrid anya sam keto akra hwan na eje Real Madrid almost 6th final in 10 years and I'm sure some Belgium 15th Champions League. I mean the most successful club in the history of the Champions League. Betumi agiana omonkwa na agi Champions League in the back to back untume omonkwa about Dortmund so mbesanwa e de agu omogale mu yenhwe so Dortmund betima sanwa e de agu omogale mu a yeka awlokwe junior ne ayi hu nsem on the 8th of June me tonsafro so ba be ka me ho na me ma me 1 week be baso wo Nkoko Stadium me ma me da form ti wo he so my Real Black say Real Madrid they White Angels ma me nkwa my Real Madrid Black Angels since ma me da form many bedi abedi na vim na me gina ha ne ade ati me invite you on the 8th of June as a next week I won Nkoko Sports Stadium I na ye 1 week service no na kwa bia so bibia ti me koye ti ya be se na hon sembesi akoma me nyane me fancy sa as I oberhe na be my emre ma Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibotwe aye me producers e ba cho ye de apomudi hon sembeto aso hwebedwam ai wi a na de aka ato aso